To make your hotel always running and prospering, it is necessary to know and overcome the challenges in hotel industry. You need to imbibe new technologies, implement strategic decisions on the basis of data that is collected from disparate online sources and obtain your hotel business. Despite hospitality business being a profitable one, hoteliers shared their hotel management problems and challenges. There are so many operational challenges in hotel industry, right from managing reservations to attending guests and performing all front desk operations, maintaining cleanliness in hotel rooms and premises, and so on. However, hotel departments fail to perform all tasks in sync, which leads to mess and customer dissatisfaction. The best way to overcome this challenge is to streamline all operational areas by syncing all departments so that they can communicate easily with the help of this hotel technology. Price inflation of daily use products, eatables, and other amenities have risen steeply in the last few years. Keeping control on stock and reducing the wastage is the primary agenda for saving on the costs incurred on a daily basis. Cleanliness is a basic thing that every guest demands. The clean and neat hotel is always on the top of the list for recommendations. Most of the hotel guests choose to live in clean room more than complimentary luxuries, free Wi-Fi access, and so on. To maintain a clean, sanitary, comfortable, and tidy environment, the housekeeping department always need to be updated, like which room is dirty, so that the staff member can manage to make the room clean and ready for the next hotel guest. A question of security is not a new one. Threats of digital data theft, virus attacks, and confidential data leaks are a big matter of concern for hoteliers globally. Understanding the scenario, you must go for a software that is secure and prevents hotel data leaks. This way, build your hotel's credibility to bring in more guests. Maintaining an online reputation is another big challenge that hotels often face. The reason is hoteliers remain busy so much in tasks that it becomes difficult to take out the time to manage online reputation, which can damage the brand. As per the report, 93% of people check hotel reviews before booking a room, and 33% of guests do not prefer to book a hotel with no reviews. Therefore, it is important to track what your guests are saying about your brand and services you provide online. With the help of the latest technology called online review management system, you can effectively handle all your online reviews and can also respond to all of them easily. Instead of trying to chase all latest technological developments, hoteliers should study their customer and their market and decide on which technologies are must have in order to provide a competitive experience and satisfy their guests. Due to high personal demand in high seasons and break for low season, hotel managers face the challenges of the shortage of skilled personnel and high turnover rates of their staff. According to research from Big Hospitality, salary is the most important factor to consider for retaining best staff in the hospitality industry. Thank you.